Hey, JB here, and I'm excited to discuss a new benefit of MorningCoach.com, and that is our new challenges. You see, one of the biggest issues that I've seen over coaching over the past 15 years is the ability to create some accountability without having to be on the phone with somebody and check in with you and make sure you're doing it, right? Everything that we learn, everything that we go after is a process. It's an incremental process that takes time. Whether you want to write a book, you want to learn to play guitar, you learn to be a better golfer, you want to learn a new language, whatever it is, start a business, there are things that you need to do to increase your skills on a day-to-day basis. Let's take health, for example. It may be only 3 times a week, but we still want to be tracking that and to be held accountable. For me, for example, when I go train with Sir, I know there's a group of people there that want me there, and they're holding me accountable to the fact that I need to be there. But what do we do with day-to-day life? Like, learning how to play guitar, or learning how to play golf, or learning how to do something better in business, or learning how to type better. How do we create that accountability? Well, what I want to do for you now is implement what is called the challenge system. So what we've implemented at Morning Coach using our current system is the 30-day challenge. Now, what the 30-day challenge is you're going to take on something that you're going to report back on a daily basis. And you're going to say, okay, JB, I'm in. Let's do this thing. I'm going to report back on a daily basis. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in a minute. But you're going to jump into MorningCoach.com. You're going to go in our courses section. You're going to go in our community. And you're going to publicly state what you're going to do. And then you're going to come back and just comment every single day. Again, I'm going to show you this in a minute. What happens if you don't make it? Let's say you get to day 15 and you miss 16 to 17. Well, we just file that. Good job, good attempt. It didn't work. Let's start over again. Okay? So what we've put together now is this initial 30-day challenge. And that's where I want to start. But then we have a 90-day challenge, a 1-year challenge, a 10-year plus challenge. And I'll go into those later. But today I just want you to see the 30-day challenge. Now, this is something you have to do. You can still do the courses and listen to Morning Coach on a daily basis. But this is a real benefit of your membership. If you want to be held accountable to something you really, really want to do, you finally have a place to do it. So let's jump in the computer so I can show you and we can get to work on your personal 30-day challenge that you're going to commit to. Okay, so we're ready to get into the accountability section. This is also in your courses. So what you're going to do is navigate to morningcoach.com, go to premium member login, and you are going to sign in. Okay? Once you sign in, it's going to take you to your course library, which is going to be here. And you're going to see the course library, right? Now, we're going to do community. This is where you're going. This is where the accountability is. This is where you can have discussions, ideas, and it's also where our accountability area is. So we're going to go ahead and hit view course. And that's not a course, but they haven't changed that terminology yet, but it is what it is. So once we're in here, what I need you to do is then scroll down to the 30-day challenge. I'm going to get into these other challenges later, but you're going to scroll down to the 30-day challenge. You're now going to click the 30-day challenge, and you're going to enter one. Now, I already entered one here that says J.B. Glassinger's 30-day challenge, write 1,000 words a day starting January 2nd, 2020. I'm going to add another one here. I'm going to put play guitar 30 minutes a day. Okay, and let's do this. I mean, we can do it as a title, but as 30 minutes a day. Work on playing guitar and learning riffs on a daily basis. So you can put links, you can put everything in here. This is your kind of, the topic is the way this works, is that it is the main post. And then what's going to happen is, now that we have it, we have instituted a challenge, right? I want you to go ahead and click this following post, which is very important. And now what you're going to do is, every day, you're going to come back in here and log in and put day 1, played 30 minutes, learned riff deuce. Okay? So it's very simple. Now, you can do this from your phone using the Kajabi, K-A-G-A-B-I app, or you can do it right here on the computer. I would suggest do it on the computer or on your iPad. But again, you can use the Kajabi app. It's the same thing. So there's day 1. So let's say I come back 2 days from now, or the next day, right? So then it would be day 2. and then put in the information, right? And then day 3, okay? So then you just keep going. And what I'm looking for is 30 comments here over time, over the 30 days. I'm looking for 30 comments to see you're sticking with it. Now, I can see when people are posting via the feed. This is only available to our private community. So there's nobody that can see this except us, right? And I just deleted those comments. So that's we're the only one to see. In fact, you can see Lee and Wayne already put in some they're starting some 30-day challenges, and I haven't even announced this. So, but you're going to come in here. Now, one of the issues that I get is, well, how do I find it if we've got so many people? Well, one, you can search. But the other way that you can is using our already other course, using Google Keep, or whatever your note-taking system is see this, copy this link to this post. What I would suggest you do is, you see the text has been copied. I would then go into your Google Keep. I'd create a new note, and I would call it my 30-day challenges, 30-day challenges. And I would put guitar challenge. And I would then put it there, like I showed you in our goal setting and tracking course. And I would pin this note. Okay, so now this note is pinned, and I can close it, and it's now here. So in the morning when I get up, or later in the day when I want to click this, I just go ahead and click it. It's going to open it up, and it's going to sign me right up and get me in here so I can put my comment. Okay, so that's just a little ninja trick in order to get to it really fast, and then you can come back to the community. Again, you can navigate the 30-day challenge, but if you want to track it quickly, then go ahead and click this, copy this link, and save this link somewhere where you go every day. For me, it's Google Keep, and then it's just right here on Google Keep. And then I can also add my 1,000-word challenge, just as I showed you in the course that you get as a Morning Coach member, which is using free tools for tracking and goal setting, right? So let's say the 1,000-word challenge. I'm going to put that here, and then I can link that by going in here and grabbing this and copy that link, then going back in Google Keep where I keep my links to all my structured organization and put it there. I like to put a space, and then that is right there. I can move these around if I want to. I can change the color, as you know. And again, you can take the course on this. Just navigate to your courses. So we'll make it green. Okay, I don't like green. Let's make it blue. Okay, so there it is, a light blue, a little different. So we're good to go. So now I have everything ready to go. I got a 30-day challenge. I'm going to be looking at these. The community's going to be looking at these, and you publicly have to take this on. Okay, you've got to do it. I would also put the start date in here. 1 second, I was going kind of quick with this. Edit. Let's put in today's start, January 2nd, 2020. Okay, and then I'm going to update it. So you're ready to go. I mean, you have got the place to come in your 30-day challenge. And by the way, I can always come back to community. I can come back to my library, which is up here on the right. And the class that I was talking about, let's keep coming through here. There's a lot of classes. Is, let's see, I think it's probably on the 3rd page, depending on what you, ultimate goal setting and tracking. Depending on what course you're in, this is the course that you're going to do on the Google Keep, right? So this is the file cabinet. This is going to teach you. So you just go into your library and you can see that. Okay, so let's go back to the community. Where do we find it? We go into the 30-day challenge, and you are ready to go. Now, this is a new feature, and I'm using it for this, but you can also introduce yourself. You can also put some stuff. This is a brand new section within Morning Coach, so you're ready to roll. Again, how do we find it? We go to MorningCoach.com. Okay, just go to MorningCoach.com. And if for some reason your membership isn't working, you want to click Join Now and make sure you're a member. But once you are a member, you're going to be able to log in and then take you to this portal, which will then log you in to your library. So you're just up on the top of MorningCoach.com. Hit Premium Member Login. You can also use the Kajabi app, okay, which is a mobile app. That once you have your login, that you can log in. You can also do it from the app, which is really, really nice. By the way, since I'm doing this video, you know we have the daily coaching system here, and you can listen to it right here. But the problem is it will stop on your phone. So if you're new and you're just getting started, I would make sure you're using the feed player for our daily coaching show. You can listen from your computer here. It's totally fine. This is okay to listen from your computer. but I wouldn't do it unless you're on your computer. If you're going to listen to the Morning Coach daily coaching system on a daily basis, as you should, then what I would do is listen to it from your phone. Okay, I would do my community and all my courses from this site. Okay, I would log in and I would do my courses from this site. If you're going to listen to CoachCast via the computer, this is a fine place to do it. But if not, I would listen to mobile devices. Okay, so again, you ready to take on the challenge? You don't have to do this, but if you are, you're going to navigate down to the 30-day challenge, and we'll get into these other ones a little bit later. But we're going to get the 30-day challenge, and let's say you want to quit drinking for 30 days. No alcohol. I probably spell it wrong. Alcohol. That's it. Well, yeah, I knew I'd spell it wrong. Alcohol for 30 days, starting January 30th, 20th, whatever, right? 2020. You're ready to go. You're now in the system. You're going to post that. You're going to grab the link. You're going to take that link and you're going to put it in your Google Keep as we have discussed, right? And if you haven't taken that course, take that course so you can get super organized. As you can tell here, I'm very organized. And then you'll have direct access to it. And then all you got to do is click it from Google Keep and it's going to open it up and you can start putting your comments day one. Now, somebody else may comment under here. It's fine. What I'm looking for is 30 days of comments consistently. Day one, January 20th, no booze. Okay? And that's it. And I'm doing it. You can put pictures, whatever, but, just keep it simple. So there you are. And then what we want to do is have 30 days, okay? And other people will like it, and it's all good. This is a public accountability of what it is. That's how we do it. Okay, I'm going to delete that comment. I'm going to delete this one here, and we are going to get off to the races. So you're ready to go? Remember, just go to morningcoach.com, premium member login, get started. If you're not a member for some reason you're watching this video, click join now and get set up and get rolling. All right, have a great one. I'm super pumped to rock and roll this with you. Let's get the 30-day challenge rolling.